Welcome to Frost & Sullivan's Growth Podcast. In each episode, we take a deeper look at transformative shifts shaping global ecosystems, from industry megatrends and technology innovation to evolving customer expectations. Today, we're exploring growth opportunities in global heat exchangers, smart designs, sustainable materials, and energy transition, unpacking where the next wave of opportunity is unfolding and what it means for future-ready businesses.
The industrial world is in flux. Electrification, decarbonization, and efficiency are now at the center of every strategic discussion. Heat exchangers have always been critical to keeping processes running, from power plants to chemical refineries. But here's what's changing. They're no longer passive parts hidden in the background. They've become strategic assets driving energy efficiency, reliability, and carbon performance. We're seeing demand surge in areas that didn't even rely on heat exchangers a decade ago. Hydrogen production, where efficient thermal management supports clean fuel generation. Carbon capture and utilization, essential for emission reduction. Data centers, which now depend on advanced cooling systems to manage AI and cloud workloads. And electric vehicle batteries, where temperature control ensures performance and longevity. These new applications are pushing manufacturers to rethink design, materials, and intelligence. In short, the humble heat exchanger has gone from mechanical to digital, from background hardware to a frontline growth enabler.
Let's unpack the big forces driving this transformation, the three strategic imperatives shaping the global heat exchangers landscape. First, competitive intensity. Regional players in Asia and the Middle East are scaling fast, leveraging localization and cost efficiency. For global OEMs, success now depends on more than just price. It's about technology differentiation, reliability, and after-sales performance. Second, transformative megatrends. The clean energy transition is rewriting the rules. Hydrogen, carbon capture, and renewable integration are creating brand new thermal demands. At the same time, data centers are exploding in size, and they need heat exchangers that can handle massive, consistent cooling loads. Third, disruptive technologies. IoT, AI, and digital twins are turning exchangers into smart, connected systems that monitor their own health, predict failures, and optimize performance. And with modular designs and advanced materials, manufacturers are pushing for efficiency and adaptability like never before. The message is clear. Companies that combine innovation, intelligence, and sustainability will lead the next phase of growth.
Let's talk tech, because this is where things get exciting. Emerging technologies are giving heat exchangers a digital soul. IoT and predictive maintenance, smart sensors and analytics can now track performance in real time, cutting downtime and lifecycle costs. Modular and compact systems, ideal for data centers, renewables, and hydrogen plants, offering flexibility and faster deployment. Advanced materials, ceramics, titanium, and composites are boosting efficiency while reducing corrosion. Additive manufacturing. 3D printing enables custom geometries for better heat transfer and shorter production cycles. It's innovation with purpose, improving performance and sustainability at the same time. And this digital transformation is creating a new kind of value chain, one that's data-driven, service-oriented, and customer-centric.
Let's spotlight the players redefining leadership in this evolving space. The global heat exchangers industry has over 300 active companies, but a few are taking bold steps. Nexon Group acquired Thermowave GmbH, strengthening its position in smart thermal systems. Wieland expanded its HVAC and efficiency portfolio with the acquisition of Onda SPA. Kelvion is advancing digital integration by partnering with automation firms for predictive service models. Meanwhile, in Asia, regional manufacturers are innovating faster, cost-effectively and at scale, backed by government incentives and growing local demand. It's a fiercely competitive market, and the winners will be those who combine innovation with agility, leveraging partnerships, data, and sustainability as competitive advantages.
As the heat exchangers industry evolves, one thing is certain: the next decade will reward innovation over inertia. To capture the next wave of growth, companies should focus on 4 priorities. 1. Design for flexibility. Modular serviceable systems that cut deployment time. 2. Invest in intelligence, embedding IoT and AI for predictive insights. 3. Adopt advanced materials for performance in extreme and corrosive environments. 4. Collaborate across ecosystems. especially in hydrogen, renewables, and data infrastructure. The question for every industrial leader now is, are you managing heat or mastering it? Because in the next chapter of industrial transformation, thermal efficiency equals competitive advantage. Thanks for joining us on Frost & Sullivan's Growth Podcast. For access to our research, competitive benchmarking, and best practice frameworks, head over to frost.com or email hello@frost.com. We'll be back soon with more to help you stay clear-headed and growth-ready.